Hanya yero hete baka kasayo ata. God is love. What is God's love? Da mi ko be Romeo sere ye sebo khore. Mimi pe be mi pota deba po pamudo. Credo thea sa level da. You are pa plado ata eta qui da wole vola. Kasayo ena po. Kone kasayo shala po kwa yishu krila ba he tu di da na ba wo. Ba he ta deba na ba wo. Kasayo pa plada ba ba ni. Da lepta mu the block up. We will feel like, oh, we're not good enough. But the Bible, but about two power palisashia, but all the order mudaboa, but chura tuda, but tea the laptop baba. But no, God doesn't see you like that. He loves you. He will be like, come to me, my child. I love you. Come to me. I forgive you. I don't care what you do. I forgive you. Come to me. You're my child. But the moment you start listening to the lie of the devil tell you, oh, you're not good enough, and the great power, that's when you stay far away from God. And to you that excitement. The devil doesn't want you to know the love from God. He want to keep you far away from God. The thing like I said, they're all that within Ogmamai. But God still love them. God still love them. With the teeth like adagma, a teeth like jaragma when I with they try to hide. But God loved them. So start listening to the lie of the devil that own the great what you're not good enough, the great Baba. Start listening to that. God love you. God love you. Because He is a loving God. He is a forgiving God. He is a merciful God. Come to Him as you can. He loves you.